Tiyanak the Beautiful, the contentment of my soul. Haruya, Yumimay, Dotto, Yuki, and Kashikoy. You give me joy and much happiness. Every day I see you around. Yukikay, the moody one, Mama's favorite all along. You're funny, always silly, like a child who's on the loose. My every day is pure happiness. Sheshe's puppies, you are the best. The Shih Tzu Family. I peek at visit almost every day. My beautiful babies, you're the song the birds love to sing. Your energy and wackiness everybody talks about. I've never felt such joy before. I am learning every day. My handsome KASHIBOY, my pretty Yumi, play it every day. Haruya, Yukikay, they're the names my ears long to hear. Lady Dotto, the 𝒱𝒻𝒾𝒶, with her mesmerizing eyes. A new kind of joy in life humans can discover late in life. A new kind of happiness that was always there all along.